We have developed an easy to follow online drone flying course to take you from beginner to expert. The course is called Drone Pilot Accelerator and is designed to accelerate your drone flying skills, whatever your level, with clear step-by-step flying exercises. The Drone Pilot Accelerator course is split into 4 sections: beginner, intermediate, advanced and expert. Each of the 4 sections contains 15 step-by-step flying exercises and manoeuvres for you to work through, with 60 exercises in total. Each exercise follows a proven formula and they build your skills step by step as you progress from lesson to lesson, and you can repeat these exercises as many times as you want until you feel confident to move on to the next exercise. Here is a free preview of the first advanced exercise. The advanced level consists of 15 lessons. You can see here, and lesson 1 is orbit around a center point. Let's go to that now. Mike's first orbit is going to be round to the right, and that's going to involve pulling the right stick to 3 o'clock and the left stick to 9 o'clock. And both of these sticks are pulled to about 40% maximum, and that'll give you a smooth circle around the central orbit point, which is the landing pad. We're pulling the right stick to the right to 3 o'clock, left stick to the left to 9 o'clock, and then stop the course there. We're now going to go the other way so that the drone is going to go to the left, and that involves pulling the right stick to 9 o'clock, pushing the left stick to 3 o'clock. So pushing both sticks in together to about 40%. And again, the drone will come around the center orbit point, which is the landing pad, and come around to back where we started, so the drone is facing away from us. You will find pulling the sticks together more difficult than pulling the sticks apart. If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe to the channel or watch the next video in the playlist or the new videos that we've just recently downloaded. For now.